Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing everything so the upload goes smoothly. Sign into Sticker Hub, enable two-factor authentication, and confirm the app is updated. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and make sure your device has at least 5 MB free storage. Now choose the sticker images, PNG or JPEG, under 5 MB with square or 16:9 aspect ratios. Finally, open the Sticker Hub import tool and tap Upload to begin the first actionable step. You now build and organize the sticker pack. Tap New Pack, type a clear title and description, and choose Public or Private so you control distribution. Then drag your prepared images into the pack, reorder them by importance, and add tags for discoverability. Make sure to set pricing if applicable or mark the pack as free. Once configured, use the preview function to inspect how stickers appear on different device sizes. This step reduces rejection and improves user experience before you publish. You finish by publishing and verifying delivery. Review all metadata and tags, then press Publish. Watch the dashboard for processing state and success confirmation. Once live, test sending stickers in a chat to confirm appearance and performance. If something goes wrong, first check file size limits, network stability, and app permissions. Retry the upload after fixes. If issues persist, contact Sticker Hub support with your pack ID, device logs, and exact steps to reproduce the problem so they can resolve it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.